What's up everybody? Today I'm going to be doing a comparison video on the Cambridge Pitt Minion. Two different versions. One is the calf split leather and one is the goatskin leather. Now the goatskin leather is going to cost anywhere from $10 to $25 more. And this video is going to be about, is it worth the extra $10 or $25 more? Let's get to it. Right off the bat, you got to compare the skins, okay? So this is the calf split. Calf split is always going to be denser. It's always going to be harder, okay? Goatskin is always going to be softer, and it's always going to be more flimsier. In this case, I personally love the goatskin because it just feels better in your hand. It feels nice. It feels soft. It feels premium. But the calf split has an advantage also. It's very, very durable. So this right here, this calf split will last a lot longer than this goatskin. So you either got to choose the long-lasting calf split or the nice, pretty, and smooth goatskin. Now that's what you got to talk about when you go get skin versus skin. Second, another thing that's different is that the goatskin version costs $10 to $25 more, but it also comes with 2 ribbons. This one comes with 2 red ribbons, and this calf split only came with 1. That might be a deal breaker for you. I don't know, but it's a deal breaker for me. You know, personally, in my Bibles, I have to have at least 2 ribbons. You know, I don't need 4. I don't need 3. 3 would be cool, but 2 is definitely mandatory. So if you're a ribbon guy, you gotta have 2. You gotta go with the goatskin, because I've had this calf split leather one for over a year now, almost 1 year actually. I've had it for almost 1 year, and I had a hard time trying to figure out where I left off in the Old Testament, where I left off in the New Testament, and that's just ridiculous. With the goatskin version, you got 2, one for the Old Testament and one for the New Testament. You know, if it was up to me, I would have at least 2. But I would like to have 3, because you could have one for the Old Testament, one for the Psalms or Proverbs, and then one for the New Testament. That would be ideal. But 2 is definitely the minimum for me. Now the third thing that's different is the gild. See, it's gold. It's gold on the outside, right? This is kind of faded because I've been using it for over a year, and it's just white in the inside. Now with the goatskin, it is gold on the outside, but it turns red. There's red dye under the foil. Does that matter? For me, absolutely not. Some people are all into the premium look, but really, I really don't care if there's dye under the foil or not. So that, I don't know. That's just whack to me. I'm not really a big color foil guy. I mean, it's pretty cool when you see it. You know, it's gold and then it's red and it's gold and it's red. It's not even red. It's actually salmon. You know, but I could do without that foil. That's not a big deal. So yeah, those are the 3 differences. Definitely the cover. You know, for me, I love goatskin. It just feels good. You know, it's nice and plush. It feels great in the hand, especially if you're going to be holding it for a long time. But then I like the calf split because I know it's going to last forever. Throw this in your back pocket. Throw it in your backpack. It doesn't matter. This is 1 year. It looks, I'm not going to say it looks new, but it looks pretty good for 1 year. You know what I mean? 1 year crash test on this bad boy. So with the skin, it's all about preference. Do you want the soft look, or do you want the tougher, more long-lasting, rigged look? Point number 2 is the ribbons. That's a big deal. You got to have at least 2 ribbons. So this single ribbon thing, if it's not a big deal to you, then you can go with the calf split. But for me, it is a big deal, so I would go with the goatskin. And then the last difference is the gild. You know, I mean, for me, I could care less if it turns red in the inside or not. You know, so it's really up to you. All in all, though, if I could only pick one, well, first off, the Pitt Minion Series is my favorite Bible series. So if you don't have a Pitt Minion, you have to get one. This thing fits in your back pocket. You can literally take it anywhere. This is like a spiritual weapon that you can take anywhere and everywhere. So if you don't have a Pitt Minion, you definitely need to get one. But if you're going to get a Pitt Minion, I would personally go with the goatskin one. It's $10 to $25 more, but you get much better skin. It's really soft. It looks really nice. This one looks really beautiful, the black one especially. And then the 2 ribbons, I think is totally worth the extra 20 bucks, in my opinion, you know. But if you're a huge fan and you really love this Bible, you'd be like me and you'd have both. You know, I have one for the car because this one's gonna last forever, this cap split one, so I just leave it in the car, and then this black one I take in my back pocket. So either way, wherever I go, I'm Pitt Minion prepared. I hope this video was very helpful. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for both Bibles if you'd like to purchase one. Thank you for watching.